Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming essentials. Is the Genshin server up for your region, and is your client fully updated? Once done, verify device OS and that game files are intact. Corrupted files cause immediate fails. Next, restart your modem, router, and device to clear transient network issues. Make sure to observe your NAT type. Strict NAT often blocks connections. These first steps remove common causes, so the deeper fixes that follow focus only on persistent network or routing problems. Once basic checks are complete, isolate the network. Switch to mobile data or a different Wi-Fi to see if your ISP or local router causes the error. Next, flush DNS and renew your DHCP lease, then set DNS to Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google 8.8.8 to reduce resolution failures. Make sure to temporarily disable VPNs, proxies, and aggressive antivirus because they can block game ports. Also, explicitly allow the game in your firewall for both inbound and outbound traffic. To finish, if the issue persists, reinstall the client or run the launcher's file verification to repair any remaining corruption. Once done, prefer a wired Ethernet connection or enable router co-s to prioritize game packets and reduce packet loss. If problems continue, gather logs and timestamps, then contact your ISP or MyHoYo support, and only try a reputable gaming VPN as a last resort. A quick troubleshooting tip: if errors reappear, capture a network trace and check for port blocking by your ISP or router.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.